Christmas is just round the corner, and many of us are planning to make usual turkey this Christmas. If you're looking for the perfect recipe for making juicy, tender turkey legs that are perfectly cooked and flavorful and just perfect for small families, then you have clicked on the right video. This recipe is a small batch turkey, which is ideal for smaller families because not everyone is throwing a party or making a whole turkey. If you're ready, we can get started with the easy recipe. It starts in a pan. So in a pan, first I'm putting some olive oil, and although it looks a lot, but it will dissolve. To that, I have added some crushed garlic and a black cardamom. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and that will give such nice aroma and taste to the done turkey. Next, you want to simmer it for 1 minute until the garlic and chili gets infused with olive oil. Give it a stir, and after 1 minute, just take it off the stove. I'm gonna leave my marination for now and move on with the turkey. So this is one leg of turkey. It's a beautiful meat and it's saying cook me. So first thing first, I'm gonna make some deep cuts into the meat that really helps the marination get into and makes it tender and juicy. After you are done cutting, I like to do some pokes. It's just a personal preference. Now it's time to prepare the rest of the marination. The oil has cooled down. To that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, but you can also use half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of dried herbs, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce that really brings out the flavor and helps it get caramelized, and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, which really helps getting the odor out. Okay, next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. This is smoked paprika powder. And now 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Finally, I'm adding a teaspoon of sriracha. This will make it hot and it's just a personal preference. If you don't want to make it really hot, you can skip that. Giving it a quick stir, and after that, I'll set it aside and we'll move on with my meat. I'm going to season it with some salt, and I'm going to put some black salt here, but regular salt will also be fine. Adding 1.5 grated onion to the mixture and giving it a quick mix. My marination mixture is fully done now. After the quick stir, I'm going to set it aside. In a baking tray, I have put some foil paper. To that, I'm making a bed of 1 thinly sliced onion. To that, I'm putting my turkey leg. And first, I'm going to rub some rock salt in it, which I have crushed previously. And you want to make sure that you put it on both the sides, and it will be better if you can rub it nicely, making sure it goes on the cut. Next, the marination goes in. And again, you want to make sure that you rub it nicely, making sure that it's applied all over the leg so that everything is evenly distributed and cooks nicely. Once that's done, I'm going to set it aside for at least few hours. 3 to 4 hours is ideal. If you can keep it overnight, that's even better. And now adding juice from 4 oranges and 1 lemon. This is freshly squeezed. Now it goes in a 200-degree Celsius oven for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. It always varies. And in the middle, you can turn it. And my juicy tender turkey leg is beautifully done. I'm cutting the slices to show you how it looks. I hope you can see that it's juicy and completely done from the inside. Thank you everyone for watching my video. This recipe makes delicious turkey legs and hope you enjoyed it.